afternoon, this is Ted from the Devil's in the Detail. We're just visiting Vantage Motors, one of my colleagues, because we have Mr. Dixon's R8 in to have the brake discs cut and new brake pads. Now, Michael has previously measured the discs against the stated tolerances, and there's enough in it for a cut. So I'm going to film some of this so that you can all watch the cutting in action. As you can see, this machine is mounted independently, it does both sides. And Michael's purchased the adapter to be able to do these horizontally bolted calipers. So anybody now with high performance cars can have the discs cut on the car. If anybody wants to get in touch with Michael, the phone number is on the intro, and just ring him and tell him you've watched the video. This is the first initial cut. Obviously it's having brand new brake pads installed at the same time. You wouldn't put old pads in on new cut discs. Right, we'll let the first cut carry on, and then we'll come back to you with the next cut. Right, you join us again during the second cut, and Michael has adjusted the machine to take the last thousandths of an inch, so it'll be 4,000 of an inch each side of the disc that's removed, and that, in this case, will take it down to its final tolerances. So next time it'll have to have new discs. But it's a great saving considering the discs are 1,200 quid. So you performance car owners don't need to just go and lay out the discs because the dealer tells you to. As long as there's enough material left, you can have them recut. And Vantage Motors is the place to have them done. The machine is cutting both sides at the same time, so that it is true to the car. And there we have it. That's the final cut. This is the cutting oil that's Michael sprayed on, so that's going to be cleaned off. The new pads are going to be fitted, and that's the job done. All the bracketry's got to be removed, obviously, as well. So there we have it. That's another disc cutting episode from the Devil's in the Detail in cooperation with Vantage Motors. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you all later.